Oh yeah, old 81. Hey guys, I was looking for my compressor. Yeah, it was right over here. I took it off. I'm not sure why I took it off. I took it off for something. But I was looking for my low side suction line port where you charge it up. And I'm like, where is it on here? I see a high side line port you can't charge. That's going right to the condenser, or coming from the condenser, so that's high pressure. You can't charge high pressure line. So where do they put where do you charge the system at? It can't be on the compressor itself. So it's got to be right there on this line here. But it disappears. I guess it's headed inside to the, or is that it's heading right there. It's heading right there, I guess, but I don't see a way to charge this up. This is an R12 system, I believe. Oh, it says R12. And this port right here, that's on I'm pretty sure that's the high side, because it's similar. It's a very, very small line, and somebody's been in here painting everything black. So that goes down to the condenser, of course, and this line comes up out of the compressor. This is where you would want to charge it, right here, but I don't see a charge port. Oh, I see the dryer in here. There's a dryer in there, accumulator. I don't see any fixtures to tap into it. If you guys know where this is, let me know, please. I'm not an automotive AC guy. However, I am an AC guy, just not automotive. So, you don't see it. I'm even blind.